Okay, so now your app is going to show ad limited, as you can see here, limited ad saving, and they are going to ask you to add store to lift the limit. So even after you have the APK, you see that your app will not be showing ads because Google wants to verify your app on the store. So you have to proceed to add your app on the store before you go ahead. So now the app has been added on the store. The app has been added to the store, as you can see here. So now I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, or even though I don't copy the link, I can easily search for it. So as you can see here, it said add to store. Make sure that the app you're adding is the app ID is the one you integrated into the app. So let's go ahead and click add to store. Then it says you can search the name here if it's the Google Play Store, because they'll be able to find it. There are other stores that your app can be listed on: Amazon App Store, Oppo App Store, Samsung Galaxy Store, Vivo App Store, and the Xiaomi Get app. So let's go ahead and see if we'll be able to search for the app. Let's say 360. Um, can't find it. So most time the best way to search for it is always the package name. So the package name here is com.app.z360. com.app.z360. There are other ways to do this too. So now I don't know if this is network. Let me paste the full URL and see if it will be able to get that. But my network is connected. Let me just refresh the dashboard. Maybe okay. I've seen what is causing it. Ad blocker. So whenever you're doing anything with AdMob and all that, always check out for this guy, the ad blocker. They don't go well because the platform is basically about ads. So that's the reason why it was not working. So let's search now 360 and see what we got. So it's going to show all the 360 app, and if yours is among the list, you'll be able to see. So now it's not there 50. Most times you might not see it immediately because your app was just added recently to the store, so it might not show up in the ranking yet, the ASO Play Store search ranking. So now you see 360, nothing is showing there. So let me check the full name, 360 everything on the go, and see if it will be able to see that. So you see, still could not see that. So let's try the package name. Let me confirm the package name again. I think it was com.app.z360. com.app.z360. So we couldn't still find that. So let's now try the full URL. So you see, it was able to find the app through the full URL. So let's go ahead and click add. So now you see it's there. So we click continue. Now, package name says this. Your AdMob app will use the same package name as your Google Play app. Use different package name on different Android stores. Create a separate AdMob app for each. So this detail have to be used if you want to use another store apart from Google Store. Verify all details before you add this app. This app's package name, for example, is used to identify the app when saving ads, which is com.app.z360. And like I said here, your AdMob app will use the same package name as your Google Play app. If you use different package names on different Android stores, create a separate AdMob app for each. So go ahead and click save. Verifying. So now we couldn't verify 360 manually. We successfully updated the app store's information, but we couldn't complete app verification, review, and fix the app.txt issues. Then check the app.txt update. We will verify that txt and found and formatted correct. So what happened? You may have set up an app at.txt, but your details don't match the information in your AdMob account. What you can do, open the following apps.txt setup instruction and review each step. Open your app after you submit the review. So now this one is the app.txt issue. Make sure you've created an app.txt using the spec provided by AB. Copy and paste this following code snippet into the app store. So once this is done, you'll be able to proceed with that. So you know where we can get that. So let's go ahead and copy this. So we're going to create a new file called app.art.txt. So there's a plugin that can help us do that. So once that is done, we'll come back here again and click on verify app. So guys, that's how to add an app to lift up the limit based on the recent Google AdMob updates. So that'll be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.